Isa nga ito sa pinakamalaking upset so far ngayong BCL Asia. Tinalo ng kupunan ni Brownlee ang powerhouse team ng West Asia. Naghalimaw si Justin Brownlee, history ang ginawa ng Pilita Jaya. Second game ng Pilita Jaya sa BCL Asia kung saan makakalaban naman nila ang Iranian team, 3-peat champion na Gorgan. Sa first quarter ay dikdikan nga kaagad ang laban. Mainit nga kaagad ang opensa ni Justin Brownlee kung saan agad itong kumana ng 10 points para pangunahan ang opensa ng Pilita this quarter.
Trying to go quickly. Juwato finds Brownlee, goes in, he finishes. 4-point lead, Brownlee fires up for 3. Brownlee trying to go all the way, Brownlee avoids the block, gets the and one! In the United States, finishes Brownlee again inside the key and just...
Natapos ang opening frame sa score na 24-23, 1-point lead para sa Gorgan. Sa second quarter ay take over na offensively si Justin Brownlee kung saan umabot sa 10 points sa kanilang pinakamalaking lamang sa Gorgan. Nakuha na din nga dito ng isa pang import ng Pilita Jaya na si James Dickey ang kanyang rhythm sa opensa.
Brownlee goes quick, oh what a pass, goes up and it gets up. Gonna go all the way, Prostow is wide open, goes all the way, gets the and one! And he's 36 years young. Kicks out. Brownlee, 3, takes it. Terima! Justin Brownlee, that's a nice post move, but he's got to get the right angle in the back. Brownlee fakes the pass. Brownlee goes all the way. Finger roll time. Brownlee's made a couple of threes, makes another one.
Natapos ang first half sa score na 50-45, 5-point lead para sa Pilita Jaya. 21 points so far para kay Justin Brownlee. Sa third quarter ay patuloy ang pagdomina ni Brownlee at James Dickey sa opensa kung saan naging in control nga sa buong quarter na ito ang Pilita Jaya. Hirap na hirap nga ang one of the top teams sa West Asia na makuha ang kalamangan.
Brownlee keeps alive, finishes it. Was it on? That's a question, but someone's got to foul him. Cherry goes to Brownlee. Brownlee took a gamble because he had 3 free. Now look at the Whitesley. Pulls up from 15. And nothing dropping. Brownlee twisting, turning, 5. Dickey goes in. Throws. There is the JB-JD connection. Ball game. Brownlee's able to put the block in.
Natapos ang third frame sa score na 70-66, 4-point lead para sa Pilita Jaya. Sa fourth quarter ay patuloy ang pagdomina ng dalawang imports ng Pilita na si Brownlee at Dickey kung saan hindi na nga pinalamang pang powerhouse team ng West Asia.
Brownlee, got it by Monji, ISO goes in, finishes. Got it by Monji, Brownlee step back, hand his face. Oh baby! Young pulls up, mid-range, still can't get it. But Dickey, down low, he's got to go up with it. And the shot clock, Brownlee. Well, Dickey's wide open. Dickey goes in, finishes. Well, they got to get it inbound. Needs to play for Ginebra.
Sa uli nga ay panalo ang Pilita Jaya kung saan isa nga ito sa pinakamalaking upset so far ngayong BCL Asia kung saan kumuha si Justin Brownlee ng 32 points, 11 rebounds, 4 assists at 2 steals habang ang naging best player naman nga sa laro ay si James Dickey na kumuha ng 40 points.